Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today, we're going to be installing these on the 2021 Honda Passport. They are black emblems. So these are OEM Honda parts. I got them from the Honda dealer here locally. They cost me, let's see. So they were $53 and $73. 53 was the all-wheel drive, and 73 was this one. Okay, so this one. All right, so this is how they come from the dealer. This is Passport. This is the all-wheel drive. It's all one piece. And then here's the Honda. Now the Honda has pins on the back. And it also has these clips to retain the pins. So we're gonna have to figure that out. So let's start off with the all-wheel drive. It doesn't have centering pins. It should be a nice, easy one. And what we're gonna need is we're going to need a piece of fishing line. So we've got a piece of fishing line here, and we're also going to use so what we want to do is we want to take the fishing line, we're going to tie it around this side of the wrench like this. We're going to double knot it so it doesn't come out. Just like that. And then on the other end, we'll make a loop. And this can be done with a variety of things. I've used a wooden dowel before, but what we want is a loop, a fishing line, and something that you can grab with your hands that isn't a piece of fishing line. So here we have our all-wheel drive logo, and that's what we're going to be removing first. So we're going to hook this on this side, just like that, and kind of get it started underneath. Maybe it makes sense to come in from the other side. And this is kind of thick fishing line, which is both good and bad for this. So now what we want to do is we just want to kind of work it back and forth and pull out as we go. And you might find, like I just did, that this emblem is brittle on these connecting pieces, but just like that, it came off. So now we can see there's the spot where the all-wheel drive was. So we can pull off our adhesive, and we're going to get a rag with some CarPro eraser on it. Alright. So if you don't have eraser, the kit has alcohol in it. But just like that, you can clean that off. And then this is all one piece. So we want to remove this, and then we can reinstall right where the old one was. Push that into place. So there we are. All-wheel drive logo. It's now black. Perfect. So now we're going to do the same thing with the Passport logo on this side. And this one should again be pretty easy. So we're going to take our fishing line, hooking it through the wrench as our handle. We're going to pull this off, and this is going to come off as individual letters, which kind of sucks. And for some letters, you might find that they are really tight, hard to get off, kind of like that one was. Okay, so again, we'll pull off our stuff here, and we want to, I'm just going to kind of mark this here so I know exactly where it goes. I'm going to use our CarPro eraser, and we're going to wipe off the area where it was, just to take off any adhesive residue or anything that was there. And then we can stick our new Passport emblem. So now for this one, they give you a piece of cardboard to help you to line it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the backing, which is this red. We're going to line this up so that the R is right over the top of that R that I stuck on there. And we're going to stick it to the vehicle, like so. Then this cardboard should peel off and leave the letters behind. Like that. So there we are. You can remove this R that was just kind of keeping our spot for us. And we can wipe off any residue we might have left behind with some eraser. And there we are. So for the rear, I pulled this off with a pry bar. Alright, so I pulled that off with the pry bar. I'm going to take this and I'm going to stick it on here. This has centering pins, so we're going to put the centering pins in first, and then we're going to remove the adhesive around the edges and stick it piece by piece like this all the way around. Alright, so the centering pins are in, the emblem is stuck and installed, everything is good. So there we are. We have the rear Passport emblem, the rear Honda emblem, the rear all-wheel drive emblem. I think it looks good. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.